Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to you with this up down swoop bang that I'm doing on my client. And with this up down bang, we will be using the hair outreconverti-cap plus pony wrap. My bad, not pony wrap pony. And it is a deluxe cap, kind of like a U-part wig in a way. And also the ponytail is not a regular ponytail. With the bundles, you know, if you have regular bundles, it's a wrap ponytail. So I'm going to show you in this video how I finessed this ponytail a little bit. I had to kind of sew it down because how it was made, it has the bobby pins only on the sides and in the back, I believe. And then no, it was in the front and on the sides, but they didn't have like anything in the back, like a drawstring or anything I could pull it. So I had to kind of sew that ponytail down. But other than that, this hair came out super cute. She loved her hair. And also I am just showing you all right now how I am flat ironing out her hair just to make sure that I get her ponytail as sleek as possible. I'm going to make a U-part shape for her swoop, and we covered it on the right side. And also with this hair, it was synthetic, but it was pretty because I think the type of hair, it was called sunshine&me. So it was like a loose wave type texture. I'm so upset because I didn't get the part of me doing her swoop, but I'll probably have another video of where I'll do another up down look so that I make sure I record every single thing from step by step. But I don't want to do too much talking, you guys. I want you to sit and watch how I did this look on her. And I want you to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And just enjoy this video. And I'll talk to you later, trendsetters. Love you.
Chris I.